Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know my eye look crazy, but let's not get carried away here. So today I'm gonna go ahead and create a nice soft, well, maybe not soft, but we're gonna create a Valentine's Day look. So if you want to see how I create my spin on Valentine's Day look, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So I needed a red base and I don't have a red base. I made my own base. So I'm using the Sample Beauty pigment. So this one is a red pigment and this one is Rockabilly. I mix it with my surface base from Pimby or Plain Makeup by Yolondo, and voila, red base made. Because you have to do that sometimes, you're not always gonna have like the base you want, so you make your base. Because I wanted the red base. Don't ask me why, because this be doing the most. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna like put a red on there. So let's see what red we're gonna use. I have a couple palettes. Actually, I'm gonna use this palette, and this is from Viseart, and I think it's the Professional Preview palette, Editorial 8. So I'm gonna use this shade right here, which is just a red shade, and I'm putting that on a T12, and we're just gonna go to town over that base. You're not even gonna see it because that base is red, which is kind of the point. Now I want to hold my brush like kind of far because I just want to blend my edges. Okay, I feel like my edge is a little bit harsh, so let's go and fix that. I am looking for a brush that I want. Something, you just gotta get that right brush, which is not here, but we'll find it. What are you guys doing for Valentine's? Like, who's celebrating Valentine's? I don't know. I do celebrate Valentine's. I'm not sure what we're gonna do, because COVID is still very much alive and I'm still being careful, so we'll see. When you want that brush, then you can't find it, then I take a new one. So it's the 204, which is what I want. Like, this brush is so good for blending. Okay, so now that we finished this part, I know this look is gonna be a lengthy process, guys, but you know what? Bear with me, we're gonna get it done together. So I'm using my Nyx Glitter glue, and we're gonna go all over the lid. Now I have some glitter thingies. They're called Holographic Glitter or Chunky Glitter, and this is red, and this is, I'm not quite sure. Like, I ordered it like this from Amazon, and it came with like this whole big bag, and it's all has a ton of different shades. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the red. So this is quite chunky actually, so maybe I don't want that just yet. Bear with me, guys, bear with me. Maybe we want this red, and this I know is from Bits by Deb. It's from her makeup line. You know what's gonna be annoying about this? When I'm done with this look, I'm gonna have glitter like literally everywhere. That's why I don't really like to do glitter looks, but I feel like this Valentine's Day look just calls for glitter. It just calls for a glitter. Okay, so now we've done this. Like guys, these things are everywhere. And this is this glue I have. I don't have any name for it, but you can use any kind of glitter glue that's safe for your skin. Whether this is crazy safe or not, I'm not sure. I am using it, but that's what I'm telling you guys, you know, to be careful. And again, this is the chunky glitter. So I am done with this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and the eyes are done, and I know this is a lot. It is a lot. It is a lot. Even for me, I think it's a lot. But I feel like if you're wearing, you know, like just like a black dress, I wanna say what it is, and then a red dress and a red shoes, you know, to just make like a whole Christmas box or something like that, a gift box. But I feel like if you wear a nice little black dress, this look will go perfect with that. So let's jump into the face. I'm actually gonna use today for my primer, I'm using my Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. I haven't used this in a minute. I actually like it, but I have some stuff upstairs and some stuff downstairs, so I just have to bring the stuff up, so you know. So we're gonna use my Clinique thingy. You know, this is supposed to be like pretty like decent coverage, and I feel like I have to always, you know, go in for like a second dab, but it could just be because I'm heavy-handed. I don't know. Who knows? And I'm gonna use my Flawless brush from Makeup by Yolondo. Oh, and if you guys care about what lashes I'm wearing #extra from Body Bee Lashes, which for that look, the name just fits, extra. I brought this up. This is number 16 from Juvia's Place. It's their concealer. This is so big. I don't know. I remember not liking the concealer, so let's give her a go again. But you know, sometimes that's why like makeup is so weird and people shouldn't take it so seriously, because sometimes like you may change. There's something that you don't like at all. At some point you like it, so you just, you know, go with the flow. Then I'm using my Fashion Fear foundation stick. And I'm gonna use my 405 brush to blend that. I always get this pimple like right here. I feel like right in my kind of contour area. I'm like, why are you trying to come for me? Why? Just you kind of giving yourself a little, you know, jaw situation. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my concealer brush. I'm gonna like blend the stuff around, and then we're gonna move in to under the eye. I'm gonna leave that last. I'm using my Slick brush, Makeup by Yolondo. Something you should know: if you want your forehead to look smaller, or your 5 head, whatever you have, you just bring down your contour more. And that kind of, you know, makes your forehead like, you know, appears to be smaller. I'm not concerned about my forehead. I like it, so I'm just like whatever. I like to look up a little because then it helps the stuff go in my little fine lines that I have. And I am actually gonna use my Perfect Setting Powder from Cover FX. Look at me. using multiple cover effects things today. That's another one of those things I haven't used in a minute. So this just do something weird under my eye. Oh my God. I don't know if it's the concealer or if it's the powder. I don't know. I haven't used this powder in a while, so I don't necessarily remember exactly how it worked. But I think I'm gonna try the powder with a concealer that I know for sure love, and then I'll know for sure if it's this powder or if it's the concealer, and then I'll also try the concealer with a powder that I know works. Cause whoo, honey, I don't know what it's doing right here. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury powder. See how like glitter is like literally everywhere? That's gonna be a problem. So let's jump and finish up the eyes real quick. Just gonna put a little bit of base, just a little bit. Let's contour a little bit. I'm gonna wait for this to dry up. But why waste time, right? So I'm gonna use, actually this is a bronzer from Wet n Wild. It looks like a pretty good shade for me, so we're gonna go ahead and use this. I don't like this. I'm not gonna do that just. Let's use this brush. This is a E4 from Morphe. I think I want something a little bit darker. Actually, back to this. And for my bronzer, I'm actually gonna use this. This is Toasted Cinnamon from Burt's Bees. First, I'm gonna put in my pencil, which is, as I say, from Personal, and that's just a black pencil and nothing special about that. No. We're gonna go in with that red. And I want to put a red liner because I feel like that would have been too much. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna put this gold right here called Nubia. And this is from which palette? The Magic by Juvia's Place. Okay, let's highlight her up. I mean, obviously, we're gonna do highlighter, right? Because that's what this video about. It's glitter, shimmer, highlight. Just go for it. Perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna use my opal from Becca. Ooh, girl, that's a lot. I am gonna go for red lip. Don't come for me. I am gonna go for red lip. So I have two shades that I'm leaning towards. I'm thinking These are from Jaclyn Hill actually. I'm gonna use Unwrap Me, you know? Like, hey, it's Valentine's Day, right? That's what the look is about. So we're definitely gonna use that. Actually, I'm gonna put this one from Juvia's Place. It's from their like red. Which shade is this one? Scorpio. You know, Jaclyn Hill's first set of lipstick, there was a whole big controversy about it. I never tried those, but I actually really like these. So maybe she learned from her mistake. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. Oh my god, I had fun creating this nice Valentine's Day look. You know, Valentine's Day is around the corner, and yeah, I feel like this is perfect for a date night, you know, with the hubs, boyfriend, girlfriend, you know, it doesn't matter, or wife. But yeah, just have fun with it. Maybe just don't wear a red dress. Okay, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. Like it is, and open my heart like you're feeling.